Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. All you gotta do is click it and see what other goodies I have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. Alright, got a box. Well, quack. CAMDUCK. Alright. Or is this a duck? That'd be kind of cool. Oh, yeah, here's a duck. We got a duck. High-end hidden camera experts. CAMDUCK. Quack, quack. Mighty ducks. Alright, let's see what the... Something might be in the bottom. Always check, make sure there's like no USB cables or... see? Always something at the bottom. Just never know until you open it. Here we go, guys. This might be a short video. I've got to grab my other phone because there's going to be demos to do. What do we have in here? Screw. Okay. Oh, USB thumb drive, flash drive, whatever you want to call these. Alright, alright. Is this a guitar pick? Why would there be a guitar pick? I don't know. Knowing is half the battle, guys. Ooh. This more looks like a cat, not a duck. Quack, quack. Camera must be in here. This would be good for your Airbnbs, you know. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 plugs. Here's that speaker. You can use this for your kids' room. Make sure they're okay and stuff like that. If you go out of town, business trip, you're definitely gonna need one of these. I think that's what the guitar pick's for. All right, hold on. We'll figure this thing out without the directions. But I'm gonna need the directions because of the app to download and all that good stuff. How do I open this little guy? Oh, there we go. But hey, if you don't... Come on out. It's being stubborn. There it is. I think this is what it's for, to pop this out. Aha. See? Oh. Uh-oh. Definitely gonna need to find that piece. Oh boy, I got pause. Alright, so that thing, this thing pops that out. And what do we have here? Oh, this is where the SIM card goes. And the reset button. Okay. We'll leave that off for now. Just when you're done programming it, put it back on. You'll be good to go. Alright, let me grab the phone. Alright guys, now we're going to look into the manual. We got the duck right there. Or cat. However you want to say that. And here we go. How do I download the app? Okay. Just download the app. QR code. Right up in there. See, it shows how to do it. And we know how to plug in the outlets. And now let me get my phone. Alright, here we go. QR code scanner. Where is my QR code? There it is. Should be easy peasy. Now where's that? There we go. See, bada boom, bada bing, open link. And it's going to ask you to download, install from Google Play. There it is, quack quack. Alright guys, once you go onto the app, this is what CAMDUCK is asking for Bluetooth. Allow. I already got it plugged in the wall. And you can see right here, it's flashing, ready to go. And that screws to mount it if you find a good spot to mount. I'm not sure where I'm going to keep this at yet, so I'm going to leave it in the bag right now. And then it's going to ask you add a camera. Yeah. Close range. I can do that. You can do CAMDUCK. That one. Oops.
Please connect to the camera Wi-Fi, then return to the app.
Alright guys, it's going to ask you for the
Please connect to the camera Wi-Fi, then return to the app.
password.
Connect to the camera Wi-Fi, then return to the app.
She's annoying.
Please connect to the camera Wi-Fi.
Password is CAMDUCK.
Please connect to the camera Wi-Fi, then return to the app. Please connect to the camera Wi-Fi, then return to the app. Please connect to the camera Wi-Fi, then return to the app.
Alright, calm down.
Please connect to the camera Wi-Fi, then return.
There we go. Okay. Yeah, it's letting me know that there's a new app in town. Connecting to the Wi-Fi. Do not leave this page. Camera. Oh, there we go. Alright. G-Unit. We got it going in here. It might take a second or two to load. Especially it's brand new, you know. It's gonna take a minute or two, which is fine. I got time to kill. But we'll pause this, because it's gonna take... Oh, there we go. Just when I was saying... Alright. Hey. There's my chair. We swivel. See me swiveling. You can do 1080. Zooms. Record. We could do the maxi this way. Alright. That's a good zoom. Well, different angles. So it all depends on where you have your position. The camera, you'll be good to go. See, you can change the brightness. I think it's fine the way it is. So, and we can go back to normal screen. SD file, you can have your SD card. I think that's about it though. Camera information, we got that. And we got all that good stuff right there. Recording status, you can delete the camera, reset the store. Alright. So like I said, they got other devices too. So if you like this one, click that link down below and check them out. CAMDUCK. So maybe this doesn't have a speaker. Just an alarm. Alright, you can take photos, album. You got your album photos there. So yeah, really cool. Simple, easy to use. Secure your property, secure your property basically. You know, if you hook it up to your Airbnb, I would assume you should let the people know that there's cameras on board, you know. But definitely check these guys out. And CAMDUCK. Quack quack. Be safe. Have a good night.